Fáilte don Oban agus go program a dich. Welcome to Oban and program 10 of Speaking Our Language. Oban is an important centre for tourism and yachting and has been a popular resort since Victorian times. It's also one of the main gateways to the islands, and ferries depart here daily for a number of islands including Mull, Tiree and Barra. One of the places we'll be visiting later in the programme is McCaig's Tower. This was built in the 19th century by John McCaig to keep the townsfolk in work. Unfortunately, he ran out of money before the project could be completed, hence it's now known as McCaig's Folly. This week we'll be looking at how to take your leave or to say goodbye in Gaelic. In previous programmes we've used the phrases cheery and marshin leave for goodbye. People often add indrasta just now as well, so you get cheery indrasta and marshin leave indrasta. Bye for now.
Marshin leave iain. Marshin leave agus taspilib. Marshin leave a drasta.
Marshin leave iain.
Cheery and drasta.
Cheery.
Cheery. Cheerio. Cheery. Cheery and draasta. Cheerio just now. Cheery draasta. Marshin leave. Bye. Marshin leave. Marshin leave and draasta. Bye for now. Marshin leave and draasta.
Cheery maha.
Cheery.
Cheery maha. Bye then. Cheery maha. Of course, people often excuse themselves by saying they have to go. Féimi me fallaf. I must go. Féimi me fallaf.
Ha. 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 Kerst maha. Fim me fallaf. Gleva. Marshin leave. Ha mi dulich. Tukin maha.
Cordelia.
Fim me fallaf. I thought it was.
Kerst maar. Marshin leave in drast.
Kerst maha hai ook good en fim fallaf.
Dat blatte graai.
Cheery maha.
Cheery.
Féimi me fallaf. I must go. Féimi me fallaf.
People will often apologise as well and say ha mi dulich. I'm sorry. Ha mi dulich.
Kerst maha. Ha mi dulich. Fim me fallaf. Gleva. Marshin leave. Ha mi dulich. Tukin maha.
Ha mi dulich. Fim me fallaf. I thought it was.
Kerst maar. Marshin leave in drast.
Kerst maha. Ha mi dulich. Ach fim me fallaf. Hai ook good en.
Dat blatte graai.
Cheery maha.
Cheery.
Alles maar. Hallo graai. En drasta. Kerst maha. Cheery. Ha mi tulich ach féimi me fallaf.
Kerst maha. Slaan leave.
Slaan leave.
The phrase used for goodbye in that last situation was swan leave. Swan leave, which is more formal than marshin leave or cheery.
Alles maar. Hallo graai. En drasta. Kerst maha. Cheery.
Ha mi tulich ach feme mi falaf.
Kerst maha, slan leave.
Slan leave.
Look out for swan leave in our drama, Ek yn Teich, and also the phrase Eiche va, good night. Eiche va.
Oh, Wolf gaf me lieskan. Oh, Wolf, ga ik natuurlijk je Marianne. Vind me vanaf.
Morsen lacht igen. Morsen lacht Marianne. Morsen leave.
Morsen laten Marianne, morsen laten Jan.
Morsen laten Karel. Eentje waar wil.
Weet je waar?
Eentje waar?
Sherry. Slan leave.
Eentje waar. Ja, graag.
Eiche va, good night. Eiche va.
When the MacLeod's friends were leaving, everyone said Marschen leth to each other. Marschen leth, as opposed to the more formal Marschen leave. But notice Mr. MacLeod still used Marschen leave when he was talking to more than one person.
Morsen lacht igen. Morsen lacht Marianne. Morsen leave.
Morsen laten Marianne, morsen laten Jan.
Morsen laten Karel. Eentje waar wil.
Weet je waar?
Eentje waar?
Sherry. Slan leave.
The difference between Marschen leave and Marschen leth also crops up with slan leave or slan leth and tappe leave or tappe leth. Leave is used when speaking formally or to older people to show respect, but it's also used when you're speaking to more than one person. Leth is used when you're speaking to friends or to children.
Slan legt de graai.
Slan leave.
Ik ga nak. Zo.
Tapela. Jerry.
Morsen legt.
Ciao, Grai. E vedo chi ripagna.
Tappelen.
Eentje waar.
Eentje waar.
Wel tapelen te niet. Zert behe. Zo jij. Slan legt.
Tappelen.
Morsen laten Jan. Oh, ga natuurlijk je graag. Vind ze van artiesten van je. Morsen laten graag.
Morsen legt.
The grandfather said slan leth, slan leth, when he said goodbye to Ian the boy. But Ian said tappe leave, when he took the money. Listen again.
Slan legt de graai.
Slan leave.
Ik ga nak. Zo.
Tapela. Jerry.
Morsen legt.
Ciao, Grai. E vedo chi ripagna.
Tappelen.
Eentje waar.
Show jij, slaan le.
Tappelei.
Machine leidingen. Oh, natuurlijk graag.
Filmse vader tussen wij.
Machine leidingen graag.
Dat is nee.
Machine le.
This is McCaig's Tower, which I mentioned earlier. It's the most famous and readily recognisable landmark in Oban. The Sea Life Centre just outside the town first opened in 1979. The centre provides a lifeline for abandoned and diseased seal pups separated from their parents and unable to cope on their own. I think these pups were a bit wary of me feeding them.
What's his name?
This is Shannon. He's looking at you and
He doesn't know me. Off you go now.
They're the only ones small enough for you.
Apart from the seals, there are virtually hundreds of underwater creatures to be seen here. Have a look. Some of them are very strange indeed.
People often give a reason for having to leave, especially when someone asks, Carson? Why? Carson? Here are a few phrases that you'll find useful. Look out especially for ski, tired, ski.
Fim mi falla we challam.
Carson.
Ha mi ski. Ha mi dullich.
Oh, kerst maar.
It's not a mood stone, it's not a hard heart.
When she sleeps, ma kujak.
Oh, me doe je film me fall off.
Carson Alan.
Wel, had daar weer jurk. We samen ski.
Klaarst me. Eentje waar.
Weet je waar? Misschien lief.
Misschien leeft hij niet.
Weet je waar?
Weet je waar?
Ha, Cleva.
Het is al een film met.
Cleva. Ha mi dullig. Ha film meer in television. Ha, maar sin lacht de graai. Cheery.
And television. On the television. Ha film and television. There's a film on the television. Listen again.
Fim mi falla we challam.
Carson.
Ha mi ski. Ha mi dullich.
Oh, kerst maar. Oh, me doe je film me fall off.
Carson Alan.
Wel, had daar weer jurk. We samen ski.
Klaarst me. Eentje waar.
Weet je waar? Misschien lief.
Misschien leeft hij niet.
Weet je waar?
Weet je waar?
Het is al een film met.
Cleva. Ha mi dullig. Ha film meer in television. Ha, maar sin lacht de graai. Cheery.
Hello, Charlie. Come here, how?
Hallo, Roja. Ha natuurlijk een kaffe karam.
Oh. Ha kafak orom. I'm in a hurry. Ha kafak orom.
Cleva. Ha. Natuurlijk. Film me fall off. A kavakoram. Kerst. Machine leeft.
Oh, Hamitulich. Hamitulich, Akabakaram, Berry. Kalam.
أخنيش هم يفلاب هكفا كرم أوه هم يفلاب
Ha kavak oram. I'm in a hurry. Ha kavak oram.
Ha kavak oram. I'm in a hurry. And in the last situation, instead of saying fe mi falav, I must go, the woman said ha mi a falav. I'm going, I'm leaving. Ha mi a falav. Listen again.
Clevan. Ha. Natuurlijk. Film me vanaf. Ha kavakoram. Kerst. Machine leeft.
Oh, Hamitulich. Hamitulich, Akabakaram, Berry. Kalam.
هكفا كرم أوه هم يفلاب
Bata, boat, bata. Ha and bata a falav. The boat is leaving. Ha and bata a falav. Look out for a falav in these next situations.
Hannig na gaíorí, siúta go leag, chanéad. An dréine fallaf, me fallaf.
Nula ma sé tolle.
Da not agus da ichid skieling.
Tapelaf.
An bata fallaf I koi guren.
Ochi.
Kusa vorev.
Chris orst inis, hamas a fallaf.
Clevan.
Inis, Chris orst hamas a fallaf.
Hagrai, hamas a fallaf.
Ha and bus a falav. Bus a bus. Ha and bus a falav. The bus is leaving. And trainer a train. Ha and trainer a falav. The train is leaving. And ha and bata a falav. The boat is leaving. Listen again.
Hannig na gaíorí, siúta go leag, chanéad. An dréine fallaf, me fallaf.
An bata fallaf I koi guren.
Ochi.
Kusa vorev.
Inis, Chris orst hamas a fallaf.
Hagrai, hamas a fallaf.
It's time to see how the MacLeods are getting on with their guests. Look out for the phrase, he me a richt u. He me a richt u. I'll see you later. He me a richt u.
Hier! Hier!
Hamitulich war die Anna, Hamitulich. Tapela. Weet je waar? Geef me die stoel. Eich va, chi mi dice?
He me a reached shiv. I'll see you later. He me reached shiv.
Glenog. Glenog. Femi mi fallaf. He me reached shiv. Marsin leave. He me a reached shiv. I'll see you later. The less formal way is to use u instead of shiv. So you would say, he me a reached u. He me a reached u. Listen again.
Hamitulich va Diana, hamitulich. Tapla. Eich va, chi mi dice? Eich va, chi mi dice?
Chalam, has je fallaf?
Eich va wallig.
Eich va, chi mi heestje.
Wel, Marsin leave.
Sin leif.
Marsin leave.
He me a reached u. Listen again.
Chalam, has je fallaf?
Eich va wallig.
Eich va, chi mi heestje.
Wel, Marsin leave.
Sin leif.
Marsin leave.
Well, I'm afraid that's all we've got time for this week. In our next programme, we'll be looking at how to say where you're going. Until then, Marsin leave maha. Himi a reached shiv.
In this programme, we introduced you to Marsin leave. Marsin leave. Slán leave. Slán leave. Femi mi fallaf. Femi mi fallaf. Ha mi dulich. Ha mi dulich. Eintje va. Eintje va. Ha mi ski. Ha mi ski. Ha kavak orom. Ha kavak orom. Ha een trainer a fallaf. Ha een trainer a fallaf. He mi reached shiv. He mi reached shiv.
Catcher Riusht Go speaking our language. Welcome to Programme Ahun Giag, Programme 11. This week we're going to be looking at ways of saying where you're going. And today I'm off to Aberdeen.
Hallo Rhoda, can't you be sure with all and you?
Up a rain.
Machine leave with her.
Machine leave. Catcher Velshiv Idol. Where are you going? Catch a Velshiv Idol. Himiriushiv.
Catch a Velshiv Idol.
Catch a Velshiv Idol.
Catch a Velo at all.
Hami Gary Scrub.
Gafydd Melishgal.
Catch a Velshiv Idol.
Stornavag.
Glevamaha.
Catch a vel shif a doll. Where are you going? Catch a vel shif a doll.
Catch a Velshiv Idol. Where are you going? And the woman in that last situation said Stornavag, Stornaway, Stornavag. Listen again and look out for other destinations. That's me.
Catch a Velshiv Idol.
Stornavag.
Glevamaha.
Catch a Velshiv Idol.
Aberdeen.
Aberdeen and Shaw.
Hallo Neil, kom med det här chef.
Haku ma, catch a Velshiv Idol. In your niche, Igus, catch a Velshiv Idol. Woman.
Passengers from London.
Well, film me fall off. Machine leave there. Machine leave, ma.
In your niche, Inverness, in your niche. And the other place mentioned, Luning, London, Luning. Listen again. Kimi aman noperenship.
Catch a Velshiv Idol.
Aberdeen.
Aberdeen and Shaw.
Hallo Neil, kom med det här chef.
Haku ma, catch a Velshiv Idol. In your niche, Igus, catch a Velshiv Idol. Woman.
Passengers from London.
Well, film me fall off. Machine leave there. Machine leave, ma.
It's time for us now to catch up with the MacLeods in Eckenthaich. Meanwhile, I'm going to make my way into Aberdeen. Look out for the phrases Jan Valle, to town, Jan Valle, and Jesaherne, Saturday, Jesaherne.
Catch a Velshiv Idol.
Jan Valle, ma ser tole?
Catch
Taplev.
Catch a väl utav? Catch a väl utav?
Just Sarnia.
Just Sarnia.
Just Sarnia.
Ian.
Uh-huh.
Jesarnia.
Oh.
Oh. Jesarnia. Oh, je sarn.
Marianne, gaat je wel uit het dal?
Gaan vallen. Hamitol, gaan vallen.
Hè?
Thierry!
Che Saharnia, Saturday. Che Saharnia. Gan Valle, into town or to town. Gan Valle.
Aberdeen is, of course, a university town, and many students come here to study Gaelic.
Catch a vil u a doll, using the less formal u instead of shiv. Where are you going? Catch a vil u a doll. And the answer given, ha mi a doll gan valle, I'm going to town. Ha mi a doll, I'm going. I'm going to town. Ha mi a doll gan valle. Listen again.
Oh, Marianne, gaat je wel uit het dal?
Gaan vallen. Hamitol, gaan vallen.
Hè?
Thierry!
In these next scenes, you'll hear a number of people explaining where they're going, using the phrase, ha mi a dov. First of all, though, here are a number of places most people go to at some time or another.
Skoll. Gan skoll. Boo.